My name is Ryan Schmid, and I'm doing my PhD at Kansas State University. And the title of my research project is Hessian Fly Smart Trap Design and Deployment Strategies. And basically what that project entails is we're examining ways to monitor for the Hessian fly. And we're examining monitoring for the Hessian fly because it's a major pest of wheat. It's traditionally the #1 pest of wheat around the globe. This pest is globally distributed, but it's kind of important for Australia because Australia does not have the Hessian fly. The females come, they lay eggs on the wheat leaf. The larvae hatch from the eggs, they crawl down and then they feed on the wheat leaf for about 20 days. And during that feeding, it causes the plants to wither, dry up, and then it really weakens them. So if they do produce a stem, it typically falls over and lodges. So then it cannot be harvested. And what I've done is focused on female Hessian flies and ways to monitor for them. And what we've noticed is they use a lot of visual cues when they're moving throughout the landscape and deciding where they want to go for oviposition site selection. And so my research, probably the biggest thing we've seen is that they are female Hessian flies are highly attracted to wavelengths of 525 nanometers. So it's kind of that color green right in the middle of the green spectrum. And then intensities that are a little higher. So high intensity LEDs set to 525 nanometers are pretty attractive to female Hessian flies. In America, where we have the Hessian fly, if they have some kind of trap to monitor for it, that they could deploy into the field before they plant their seeds, which is very important because they have to take the appropriate management strategies before they plant their seeds. If they have this trap, they can know if the Hessian fly is in their area so that they can kind of include those management strategies and mitigate any yield loss from the Hessian fly. From maybe like an Australian government standpoint, they would be interested in these traps to kind of put them out in high-risk areas where the Hessian fly may be coming into Australia, so around ports and that sort of thing, where the Hessian fly could be coming in off of wheat debris and straw. Through the CRC, it's kind of exposed me to a group of, I guess, experts in building these traps, because I'm an entomologist, so I really focus my research on studying insect behavior, the Hessian fly's behavior, and kind of dispersion through the landscape. But I cannot build a trap. So the CRC, there are a number of very good engineers here that we're looking to work with to help us actually build the trap once we figure out what we want to incorporate into it.